Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. Today's video is not a recipe. Today I'll be explaining a summer season DIY. It will be useful for those who are traveling abroad and want to preserve chilies for a long period of time. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. So here I've taken 500 grams of fresh green chilies whose stems have been removed. I had gently rinsed them. Now to disinfect these green chilies, I'll be adding salt, turmeric and some water. Allow these chilies to sit in this turmeric salt water solution for about 10 to 15 minutes. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Also, please do share your feedback in the comment section below and let me know if you want to learn any other interesting DIY or recipes. So our disinfection time is over. About 10 minutes are over. So now we'll strain these chilies onto a strainer. So we have finished straining the green chilies. This method is extremely useful for those who are traveling abroad and want to carry Indian spices with them. So please do watch the video till the end for tips and tricks. So once the water has drained off from the washed green chilies, spread them onto a kitchen towel and allow them to dry under the fan or under the sun. Pat them dry in between to get rid of any moisture or water content if any. So once they are completely dry, take a very big thali or a plate, preferably steel plate, and cut them into small pieces using a scissor. So in this way you can see we have finished cutting all the green chilies. Now sun dry this for about 3 to 4 days. So after about 4 days you can see that the green chilies have shrunk and dried completely. By listening to the sound you can understand how crispy and hard they have become. Next, we will transfer this into a mixer grinder jar. You can store these green chilies as it is in an airtight pack or container and grind and use them as and when required, or we will grind them all together into flakes. So our fresh green chili flakes are ready. Now no need of buying chili flakes from stores. You can make them at home during the summer season. You can grind them into fine powder or into flakes as per your liking. This can be stored up to 1 year. There are no preservatives used in this recipe. Store it in an airtight container, preferably glass jars. So I hope you all like this summer DIY tips. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also stay tuned for more summer season DIYs which are going to be uploaded in the coming days. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelation.